Today we're going to be making muffins, blueberry muffins, and I'm going to be using our recipe on page 1078 here in our book. At the bottom you can see there's a variation on blueberry muffins. If you'd like to make the cranberry orange muffins, or maybe something a little bit different, chocolate orange, something a little bit different just to garnish them, that's fine. You don't have to make these two, but I would like you to use this basic muffin recipe. The good news is that this makes only a dozen muffins, so it'll be a math break for this section. And looking at our mise en place, we're going to be doing some chemical leavening today, right? So with chemical leavening, we want to make sure that we have all of our mise en place ready to go, like many other baked goods. But why with chemical leavening is that especially important? Well, we're going to be causing a chemical reaction once we add our liquid to our dry ingredients. And our chemical reaction will begin. Once it is going, we want to be able to harness the power of that chemical reaction as soon as possible and get it into the oven so that when those air bubbles are being created in the batter, we get that in and it doesn't deflate, right? We want to get that in before it does start to deflate. So a few things I've got ready here. My butter is softened. I'm going to be sifting my flour with my baking powder here shortly. I've got my liquid already. I've got my eggs, vanilla, and buttermilk here, and I'm going to be mixing that up. I've lined my pan already. It's one of the first things I did. I got my oven heated up. And with my blueberries, I've got those prepped and ready to go. Blueberries can be a strong dye in food and a lot of excess liquid coming off of these, especially because these are frozen. So I've rinsed them off until the water ran clear. Otherwise, if you add them and then fold them in, you'll have an electric blue product. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get started here.